Good morning, adventurers. Today is a beautiful day. It is about 52 degrees, and we're going to be hiking through Banning State Park, Minnesota. Alright, so the trail I have picked out today is about 7 miles long. 7 or 8, I don't know, I revised it a couple times. But I started in Robinson Park, which is located in Sandstone, Minnesota. It's on the south end of the park of Banning State Park. So I'm heading north I'm already in the state park now, but we're going to be heading up north, I believe on the Bluff Trail, and then we're going to be heading down along the shore. Now, I did my research and it didn't say any of these trails were closed, so we're going to see. But the river looks pretty high right now, so let's go. It's a really beautiful day today. Passing under a cool looking rail bridge. That trail went from pretty easy to pretty strenuous, really fast. Climbing over all these rocks. Oh. There's a nice little stream running through here. Look at this. Pretty cool. Okay, so the trail has all but vanished. The trail is gone. I don't know. I feel like I keep seeing little bits of it here and there. If I look on the GPS, I'm right on track, but there's no trail here. Oh, I'm officially bushwhacking at this point. Oh. Alright, boys and girls, it looks like I have found the trail. It's still pretty overgrown, which I guess I understand why I lost it. Whoa. But this is definitely a trail. Whew. That was getting rough there. Climbing over all the rocks and slipping on the moss. Whew. Nice, beautiful little rock here to stand on right on the shore. Beautiful little spot. We should be getting up to Wolf Creek Falls here in a little bit. Water sure is moving. Crap. It looks like this is where our trail ends. This doesn't look like something I want to cross. Oh. I was worried something like this might happen. And I think I can hear waterfalls in the background. We're not even going to see the falls, are we? Alrighty folks, so I hiked all the way back to the car and I drove around to the actual Banning State Park parking lot, and we're gonna come back and hike the loop from the other side. So here we are. We're gonna start hiking down the quarry loop, and then we're gonna be branching off the quarry loop and doing other trails, but this is where we're starting right here. Alright, we got a nice little waterfall over here. Very nice. Just turned off of the quarry trail onto the dead man's trail. Yikes. Normally, I'm not one of those people that mosquitoes usually like. I don't know, they usually stay away from me. I have all my clothes treated in permethrin, which is a chemical you just spray on your clothes and it makes them bug resistant for, you know, a couple of months or a few washes. Usually that's all I do, but man, today, spider web. Ugh. Today, the mosquitoes are out in force, man. They are bad. I had to hose myself down with some, what is it, lemon and eucalyptus stuff. And I don't know, they're still bugging me. I am probably due for another coat of permethrin. It's been a little while since I did it. Maybe the beginning of this year. But man, they're bugging me today. So I turned off Dead Man's Trail and got onto the Wolf Creek Trail. And man, this trail is deteriorating. Starting to get a little smaller, getting muddy. Hey, and you know what mud is really good for? Breeding mosquitoes. Ah! So it looks like maybe I had the wrong spot to cross. It looks like this is the trail I should have taken and crossed right here. I was so close too. Then the Wolf Creek empties into the Kettle River here. Alrighty, well, we'll head back to the High Bluff Trail. And I think I'll see all this foam floating down here. I think that's from our next stop. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Hell's Gate on the Kettle River. This happens to be a very popular rapids amongst professional kayakers and canoers. This is rated a 3+ rapids, but I bet because of our water levels, it's probably a 4 right now. Thanks everybody for joining me, and I hope to see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.